हाँ बोलो।
औषधि को औषधि को अंग्रेजी में क्या बोलते
एक
हैं?
मिनट चुप रहे जरा। है? चालू हो गई क्या? चालू हो गई क्या? तो कुछ पता तो चल नहीं रहा है।
यस
हाँ।
सर, हो गई थी। हो गई।
हो गए चालू सर।
आवाज आई थी हमारे पास।
हमारे पास तो रिकॉर्डिंग आ रही है।
आ रही है।
हाँ सर,
हाँ।
आ रही है।
आर आर
अब
सी
इसको
लिखा हुआ आ रहा है कॉर्नर में लाल
कैंसिल
कलर
कर
से।
दूं क्या? नाम कैसे पता चलेंगे इनके?
यस सर।
यस, हाँ बोलो फटाफट, पूछो क्या पूछ रहे हो आप।
सर औषधि को अंग्रेजी में क्या बोलते हैं अपन?
मेडिसिन। You will be given a limited time and your time will be of 2 minutes. क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
बाद में मैं देख लूंगा, आपका लगेगा तो 10-5 मिनट एक्स्ट्रा, 10-5 सेकेंड्स आपको एक्स्ट्रा दे देंगे। क्लियर हो गई बात आपको?
Yes, sir.
सो वी आर स्टार्टिंग। यस। कमान प्रीति, स्टार्ट करो।
Good afternoon, all of you. My name is Preeti Agrawal. Today, our topic is importance of trees and forest. Forest is very important for animals and because it is the house of animals. Now these days, the forests are being cut down. That's why the animals are coming in the residential areas and plants are very important for our life because the oxygen gas which is most important to live to breathe it comes from the we get it from the plants only and plants help us to bring the rain also and we get many things from the plants many eatable things which we eat we get from plants only as we get fruits from plants vegetables and from plants and plants we get papers and papers from the plants and matchbox so plants are very important for our life and we get many things from the plants and plants spread the greenery around us. That's it.
It is only 1 minute and 28 seconds. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Yes, come on, Gati.
Hello everyone. My name is Gati and I am the student of B1. Today's our topic is about importance of the trees and forests. So we all know that trees are very important for us because we get oxygen from the trees and which is very useful for us. Without it we can't live. So it is very useful for us and the trees balance the carbon dioxide level in our environment also by taking the carbon dioxide, so which it is very useful for us. And in the time of disaster, in the time of natural disaster, uh, trees save the life of many peoples, because at the time of flood, trees reduce the flow of water and save many peoples. And because of it, disaster don't do many types of problems and many types of harms. And but in the and in our country, in our culture, the trees have spiritual and traditional value also. In our country, in our tradition, trees are worshipped, so it is very good thing. And but in present time, trees and forests are being cut by the people for their resident, for their furniture, because of the paper. And it is very bad thing, because cause of cutting trees, global warming is is increasing day by day, which is very bad thing for us because our environment is becoming very bad. Pollution is increasing day by day. So I want to say that please preserve our green property, preserve our green treasure, and plant more and more trees as we can. That's it.
Very good.
Thank you, sir.
बहुत बढ़िया. Yes, come on, Payal.
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, my name is Payal. Today talking about importance of importance of tree and forest. Um, a forest is a large price of land covered with the trees. It is the home for wildlife. Um, uh, our country is 23% of the total area in under forests.
Hmm.
Forests are useful in a number of ways. Uh, number of ways. And trees are our very best friend. They gives us fruits, medicines, woods, rubber, gum, etc. uh, they are protection. um,
They protect. Yeah, they are protection. बोलो 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 आप ही बोलो.
they protects protection. uh, trees keep the environment cool. uh,
Hmm.
trees give us oxygen. uh, trees are green gold.
Hmm.
uh, birds birds make their nest in trees. Trees attract rain clouds. We cannot live without trees. So we must grow more trees. So grow more trees. It's give us a lot, like oxygen, rain, wood, medicine, etc. That's it, sir.
Okay. ठीक है, कोशिश करते रहो.
Yes, sir.
और थोड़ी रिकॉर्डिंग किया करो, थोड़ी सी रीडिंग राइटिंग थोड़ा सा करो, प्रैक्टिस करो, है ना.
Okay, sir.
ओके. यस करीना.
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, my name is Karina Nanwani. Today I am telling about the forest. Forests are important for us and animals also. They give us food to eat. They give us many fruits and vegetables, and we also get honey from the trees in forest. Big and small animals all live in the villages like or in the forest like lion, tiger, and wolves, etc. Forest also gives us medicines. They are also rich in medicine value as well as and their trees, roots, and wood are used to prepare multi medicine. We cut the trees for our needs, like we made tables, stools, tables, chair, table, chairs, and huts. We should plant more and more trees. We should not cut the trees, and most of the people cut the tree for their essentials,
फॉर देयर नेसेसिटीज.
for their necessities,
फॉर देयर नीड्स.
and
कोई
we
बात
should
नहीं,
not,
बोलो.
and we should not cut the trees because we cut the trees. If we cut the trees, our country will be polluted.
Hmm.
That's it.
ओके, नो प्रॉब्लम। ठीक है, कोशिश करते रहो। आज तुम्हारी आवाज तो अच्छी थी। वेरी गुड। यस दृश्य।
Good evening, all of you. I am Rashya Agrawal, and today's our topic is the importance of trees and forests. Um, the importance
योर वॉइस इज वेरी लो दृश्य।
trees are very important. They give us many things, like they give us oxygen, and they give us foods, nutrients. Um, they also helps. They also help us making medicines. They give us vegetables, fruits, etc. The trees are divided in many parts. The parts are like roots, their wood, their leaves, their stem, etc. Um, um, Trees help us in many ways, like they help us in controlling air pollution. They give new in the farm. They grow up by the seeds in the farms. The trees, the सर फसल को क्या बोलते हैं? The
क्रॉप।
crops are grown by the seeds. The trees, when we water it, it becomes big. The trees become big. The trees,
अरे प्रीति, तुम्हारी आवाज तो सही आ रही थी, इसकी आवाज कैसे सही नहीं आती है?
सॉरी सर, दोबारा से बोलूं?
नहीं, दोबारा से नहीं, वैसे ही 3.5 मिनट हो गए। फटाफट से खत्म कर दो बस, अब 2-4 सेकंड में।
Okay, sir. Um, the trees are known as our best friends because they help us. That's it.
ओके प्रीति, तुम्हारी आवाज तो सही आती है, इसकी आवाज को क्या हो जाता है? ये दोनों का सिस्टम तो एक ही है।
सिस्टम एक ही, थोड़ा धीरे बोलता है सर ये।
नहीं, धीरे नहीं, आवाज धीरे भी क्या, थोड़ा माइक को पास में लेके बोले।
पास में ही रखता है वैसे तो सर माइक को तो।
पता नहीं क्या बात है। चलो कोई बात नहीं है। यस कम ऑन आस्था।
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Asta from Brahman English Online Interactive Classes, B8. Today, I am telling you about trees. In this age, trees are very necessary for us. There are lots of trees in forest. Forest is also known as the house for animals.
वेरी गुड। हाँ,
Many people cut trees in forest, but they do not know that trees are very useful for them and animals. And animals eat leaves of trees in forest. We get oxygen by trees, which is very necessary for us. Trees give us medicines, rubber, food, vegetables, wood, and flowers. Trees save the life of many people. Trees are our nature.
यस वेरी गुड, बहुत अच्छा बोल रहे हो बेटा। हाँ, ऐसे ही बोलना चाहिए सबको, छोटे छोटे से सेंटेंसेस। हाँ,
Without trees, the earth get dead, and no people. सर बचेगा क्यों, क्या बोलेंगे?
कैन लिव अलाइव।
And no people can live alive on the earth.
हाँ, विल की जरूरत नहीं है, वो कैन आ गया ना।
Okay, sir.
हाँ,
We have not cut the trees. We have to grow the trees. Trees are grow from the seeds.
हाँ, क्या हुआ?
Trees are the home of birds. Trees protect the birds from the rain. Sir, that's it.
वेरी गुड, बहुत अच्छा बोला बेटा, शाबाश।
Okay, sir.
कीप इट अप। यस यस खुशबू।
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Khushbu Peswani, and I am the student of Rambad Online Interactive Classes Batch First. As we all know, that today's our topic is the importance of trees and forest. Trees are very important for our human life because by the help of tree, we get oxygen. And we get fresh air by the help of tree. Tree give us food, flowers, fruits, vegetables, etc. And tree also give us rubber, wood, shelter, etc.
Hmm.
And forest are the animals house. Animals are live in the forest. If we cut trees, the animals are away from residential area. And in the present, in human life, some people worshipped trees. And
वर्शिप वर्शिप हाँ कोई बात नहीं, बोलो। टेंसेस का
uh,
ध्यान रखो, ध्यान रखो, हाँ
yes,
बोलो।
sir. Trees are very important for us, and we should grow more and more trees and plants, because which are very useful for us. And it is some if some people cut their basic their needs, so they should not do it, because it is very necessary for us. By the help of it, we are living. We can't live without it. And that's it, sir.
Okay, very good, but it has been only 1 minute and 30 seconds. Okay, no problem. कोशिश करते रहो।
Yes.
Yes. Now, Jyoti.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Jyoti Narwal, and I am the student of Ramban Online Interactive Classes. Today, I'm here to speak about the importance of trees and forest. We all know very well that forest and trees are very important and necessary part in our life. Without tree, we can't imagine our life, because we take oxygen from the tree, and tree gives us many useful things like fruits, vegetables, flowers, etc. When we in the in the present time, many places are empty, so many people think that we should make their homes, and they should make also their big factories to by cutting trees and forest. So day by day, many forests are spoiled by human beings, and
Very
they
good.
and they and by cutting trees, they fulfill their selfish wishes, and those greedy people don't think about others, and they fulfill their all wishes. And in the present time, we watch that many places are empty, and there and where people are so many ill because of lacking trees. Because we ill that time, doctor also give advice that you should go to morning walk, and walk walk sometime in the area of trees, and we area of will an area of tree, and tree also give us tree also give us fruits. we sh- and and in the our and in the our Purans, it is said that trees are very pure and natural gift. So so if we if we grow one plant, it is considered that we सर एक पेड़ लगाना यज्ञ के बराबर है, तो उसको
Growing one tree is just like a यज्ञ। यज्ञ बोल रहे हो ना, यज्ञ?
यस सर, just like a yag. So it is pure work. So we should grow trees every week by for saving our environment. And we also explain other people that and we also explain other people that they can't sorry not cut it. So they can't cut trees. That's it,
They should
Gulsi.
not cut trees. बहुत
They
बढ़िया
should.
बोला,
Yes,
फ्लो
sir.
बहुत अच्छा है तुम्हारा. हो गया?
Yes, sir.
वेरी गुड, बहुत बढ़िया, शाबाश, बहुत अच्छा है तुम्हारा आज. ओके, यस, कम ऑन प्रदीप.
Yes, sir. A place
Yes.
there we found many types and big number of trees. It's called forest. Forest is very important in our life that give us many things like wood, fruit, medicine. And the most important thing, forest is a house for wild animals. In the forest, many types of trees, they give us oxygen, and forest consume all carbon dioxide. Forest is a big region of raining, in Africa. In Africa was 40% area covering by trees. When the population was increasing day by day, the forest is the the forest is in the big danger. So we want to know that our life cause of tree another forest है ना. So we have to plant tree in big number. So we have to plant tree in big number. At another side, in India, some people worship of trees, so we are not available to plant a tree. We want to do that. We buy the products of Mamba Earth. Mamba Earth is goal is the uh, they want to plant 1 million tree before 2025. When we order the Mamba Earth one product, we help the Mamba Earth to plant a tree. So we want to, सर हमें जरूरत है को क्या बोलेंगे?
We need.
We need to buy product by Mama's Earth or plant trees. Thank you.
वेरी गुड, बहुत अच्छी कोशिश कर रहे हो, बहुत अच्छा जाओगे, नो डाउट. तो तुम्हारा इंटरेस्ट है ना, ये आगे लेके जाएगा तुमको. वेरी गुड. यस, कम ऑन स्पर्श.
Yes, sir. Hello, good evening, everyone. My name is Ishwar Gupta, and I am the student of Brahman English Online Interactive Classes from batch B1. And today my topic is forests and plants. Forests and plants are the two main.
फॉरेस्ट्स नहीं होता है, फॉरेस्ट्स.
Forest and plants are the two main resources in our nature. We can't live without forest and natures. Without plants, we can't live. We can't exist on Earth. Plants are the important. Plants are important for our surrounding. Plants remove pollution from our surrounding and gives us purify air. Plants bring rain, by which everyone can get pure water. Plants are the houses of many living beings. Without plants, we can't exist on Earth. Forest is also a important thing, important resource in our nature. We can't exist on Earth without forests. Animals are also dependent on forests. Forests are the
फॉरेस्ट्स नहीं बेटा,
shelter.
फॉरेस्ट्स.
Forests are the shelters of many animals. Forest give us medicines, food, fruits, vegetables, etc. Because of forest, tourists come and come to take purify air, by which our country can earn money from forests. Forest If we destroy forests, we can't
फॉरेस्ट्स नहीं,
exist.
फॉरेस्ट्स.
If we destroy forest and plants, we can't exist on Earth. government is preserving biological parks, forests forest for our safety and to save animals. And we should also do some efforts to preserve forest and plants. We should grow more and more trees as much as we can. That's it.
वेरी
Thank you.
गुड, बहुत बढ़िया, शाबाश,
Thank you.
बहुत बढ़िया. यस, कम ऑन दिव्यांशी.
Hello friends, my name is Divyanshi and I am telling about trees and forest. We all know about it that the tree is very important for us. We can't imagine our life without trees because trees give us oxygen and they take carbon dioxide. We can get so many things by trees like wood, medicines, food, and so many things. If we talk about forest, a forest is a place where we can see so many trees. So many birds, animals, and insects live in the trees. Forests are very important for us.
Yes.
But some people cut the trees for earning rupees. For earning rupees, that is so that the trees sorry sir,
घबराओ मत बिल्कुल भी.
I think that we should grow trees, and in India, some people worship trees like neem, amla, ashapal, bargat, etc. We can see trees. We can see trees in all the world. But India has so many trees. That's it, sir.
Okay, very good. कोशिश बहुत अच्छी करते हो, शाबाश. Yes, come on, Dilkhush.
Hello friends, my name is Dilkhush Meena. I am the student of Ramban online interactive classes. Today I am telling about importance of the trees. Trees are very important for us. We can't live without trees. Trees give oxygen to us, which is very important for us. By it, we can breathe. Trees take CO2. Trees make their food. By it, trees give us many things like wood, fruits, vegetables, many spices, etc. We make our house by wood. Many industries are depend on forests. Trees also give us many medicines which are very useful and important for us. Trees stop pollution. Trees make green and beautiful to our environment. Trees give houses to the birds. Trees attractive to the clouds which bring rain. Trees are like a friend for us. We can't live without trees, so we should not cut the trees. That's it.
Very good. Only 1 minute and 15 seconds. Very good. बहुत अच्छा, फ्लो बहुत अच्छा है तुम्हारी, स्पीड अच्छी है, फास्ट है तुम्हारी. Okay, yes, come on, तमन्ना.
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, I am Tamanna Meena. Today I am going to tell you about the importance of trees and forests. As we all know, trees are very important for us because without trees we cannot live 1 second. Without water, without food, we can live about 100. Oxygen we cannot live. To bring the trees.
Your voice is too much disturbing. आवाज ठीक करो, थोड़ा बाहर आ जाओ आप. नेट इश्यू हो रहा है आपका. तमन्ना थोड़ा बाहर आ जाओ आप।
सर जब तक आप किसी और का टर्न ले लो।
मैं किसी और को बुलवाता हूँ, फिर आप बाहर आके एक बार ट्राई करो, है ना? यस, कम ऑन मोना।
Hello everyone, my name is Mona Meena. Today my topic is the importance of tree and forest. Trees give us tree is very important for our life. Tree give trees trees gives us life, and we cannot live without trees because tree give us oxygen, and and tree provided us fruits, vegetables, flowers, etc. And, and tree provided us woods, and many types birds live on trees.
बहुत अच्छा बोल रही है बेटा, बस कोशिश कर तू, शाबाश, घबराए मत बिल्कुल भी।
Trees are birds' house.
हाँ, शाबाश।
Some people nowadays some people cut trees, cut trees, but we should not cut trees because tree give us oxygen, and tree is very important for us.
शाबाश, बहुत बढ़िया बेटा, वेरी गुड, बोल बोल। हाँ,
And that's it.
ओके, कोई बात नहीं है। ये बिना रटे हुए, बिना याद किए हुए आप जो बोल रहे हो, ये बहुत अच्छा है आपका। बस आप कोशिश करते रहो, बस, है ना? एक लैंग्वेज को सीखने में थोड़ा टाइम तो लगता ही है बेटा, कोई बात नहीं है। यस, कमन तमन्ना।
Hello everyone, I am Tamanna Meena. Today I am going to tell you about the importance of trees and forests. As we all know, trees are very important for us because it gives us the breathing gas oxygen, which is very useful for human beings. Without water, without food, we can live about 1 hour, but without oxygen we cannot live 1 second. Trees give us foods, vegetables, spices, and medicines, etc. etc. Trees are helpful to bring rain. Trees are helpful to prevent soil erosion.
शाबाश, बहुत बढ़िया बेटा, वेरी गुड। हाँ हाँ,
give us trees give us woods and furniture, etc. Nowadays people are cutting down trees for fulfilling their selfish motives, like to
बहुत
making
बढ़िया।
furniture. They are cutting down trees. Many to in the conservation of trees. In 5 June World's Environment Day is celebrated. um, uh, according to the earth, in 35% plants should be many plants are organized by government, like one Oshadi Yojana, which is organized by our CM in 1 August 2020. Trees are the forests are the house of birds, and many animals lives in forests, but people are cutting down to their selfish motives, like to making factories. They are
बहुत बढ़िया, वेरी गुड।
migrating in other countries. Other countries. So many मैंने प्रजाति को क्या बोलते हैं?
स्पेसीज। Species.
Many species are becoming सर लुप्त को क्या बोलते हैं?
Extinct.
Many
Extinct.
species are extinct.
हाँ
mm,
हाँ
so we should grow more and more trees, because trees decreases the level of pollution, and trees are helpful to balance the oxygen of carbon dioxide in environment.
हाँ
Environment Government has banned on cutting trees, and government are organizing many plants, and trees are growing on the roads. That's it, sir.
वेरी गुड तमन्ना, बहुत अच्छा बोला तुमने आज। अब तुम्हारी अब आवाज भी तुम्हारी सही होगी। इस जगह को आप सिलेक्ट कर लो, बस इस जगह पे बैठा करो आप, समझ गए? इस जगह को फिक्स कर लो आप, इस जगह पे बैठा करो आप।
Yes, sir.
यस, कम ऑन श्री।
Hello everyone, my name is Hatika Sharma. Today I am going to telling you about trees. Mm, in India, India, it is trees are very important for us, and in India, trees are worshipped, and
शाबाश। हाँ बोल बेटा हाँ।
it is very good for us, and but many people are cutting the trees, and it is very bad for us, and because of it, air pollution is increasing, and by air pollution, asthma problem is increase.
इज इंक्रीजिंग। हाँ कोई बात नहीं, बोल तू, थोड़ी बहुत गलतियां चलेंगी, तुम फ्लो लाओ, हाँ आ जाएगा, बोलो बेटा।
trees are house of birds, and trees trees give us oxygen and tree and carbon dioxide. Because of it, our our संतुलन को क्या बोलते हैं सर? बैलेंस।
किसको? हाँ बैलेंस।
our air balance, our earth balance, environment is balance. By trees we get wood, paper, oxygen, and many things, fruits, etc. And it is very good for us. And we should not cut trees, but people are cutting the trees. It is very, very bad for us. We should grow trees, and government should also grow the trees. It is very good for us. That's it, sir.
वेरी गुड बेटा, बहुत अच्छी कोशिश करते हो आप सभी लोग बहुत अच्छी कोशिश कर रहे हो, नो डाउट। ये रटा हुआ नहीं बोला जा रहा है, एक्चुअली जो आपके थॉट्स होते हैं वो आप बोल रहे हो। 10 मिनट में क्या रट के बोलोगे आप? बहुत अच्छा। यस अशफाक।
Yes. Hello everyone, my name is Asfaq Khan. I am the student of Ramban English online detective classes. Today's our topic is about trees or forest. Trees are very important for our environment, because trees take carbon dioxide and give us oxygen gas. This is
गया हो। चलो उसको बाद में देखेंगे. Yes, come on, Pinky.
Yes, sir. Jai Hind, all of you. My name is Pinky Olia. I am student Ramban Online Interactive Classes Batch 8. I am telling about forest and trees. I think tree is very important in our life. We can't live without trees because tree given oxygen. Tree make mud houses. Tree give oxygen to us. Tree give rubber and rubber
शाबाश.
and pencil, etc.
बहुत बढ़िया. Very good. हाँ बोलो.
Tree give many types of fruits and vegetables.
शाबाश. हाँ.
For there are more trees, forest.
Hmm.
Government should grow trees.
Hmm.
Tree make bed and albari, etc.
Very good. बहुत बढ़िया. Hmm.
There are more trees in the village. There are a lots of trees. Forest tree give many types vegetable to us. We should not cut trees. We should
Very good.
grow trees.
Hmm. Hmm.
Uh, tree give medicine to us.
Hmm.
All people worship trees like Tulsi ji and people.
Hmm.
That's it.
बहुत बढ़िया. बहुत बढ़िया. Very good. शाबाश.
Thank you, sir.
Yes. Come on, Priyanka.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Hello, friends. Myself Priyanka Sharma. I am the student of Ramban English Interactive Online Classes from B2. Today, I want to tell you about the importance of trees and forests. Trees and forests are our life givers. Trees are an essential part of the environment. Without trees and forests, life can't possible.
Hmm.
Trees give us oxygen, which are need to breathe. Trees make man's life prosperous by giving fruits, flowers, and vegetables. We get medicine, wood, gum, and so many other things from trees. Trees and forests are home for millions of birds and animals. Trees gives us shadow and proper living source, and we make furniture from wood. Trees are our best friends. Best friend. Trees bring rain, and now the number of trees is very less. The biggest reason of this is the cutting of trees.
Very good. बहुत बढ़िया sentence बोला. हाँ.
So we should stop the cutting trees. It is our duty to plant more trees and protect them.
Very good.
We should motivate all the people to plant trees so that we can't get fresh oxygen because like water, trees are also our life savers. That's it, sir.
बहुत बढ़िया. बहुत बढ़िया. बहुत अच्छा फ्लो आने लग गया तुम लोगों का.
Thank you, sir.
शाबाश. Yes. Come on, Neha. नेहा. नेहा नहीं है क्या?
Yes, sir.
हाँ बोल.
Hello friends, I am Neha Sharma and I am the student of Ramban Live Interactive Classes. I am here to speak about the topic of trees and forest. We all know that trees are very important for us, and a small tree is called plant and a big tree is called tree. A group of trees, about 200 trees in a separate area is called forest. Trees balance the level of gases in atmosphere. They give us oxygen for our breathing, and they take CO2 from atmosphere for forming their food. They give many useful things for us, like paper, gum,
fruits, flowers, wood, etc.
Hmm.
They give shelter. They give shelters to wild animal, insects, etc.
Hmm.
Ayurvedic medical science is fully dependent on trees,
Hmm.
on many medical trees like tulsi, giloy, aloe vera, etc.
शाबाश हाँ
The many parts of a tree is used are used in making various medicines in Ayurvedic medical science.
Hmm.
Mm, uh, um, we in olden times in older times, people worshipped trees. They didn't cut trees, and now many people cut trees for their needs, for their basic needs. Our day to day activity is fully dependent on trees, and all lives is are dependent on trees, so we should not cut trees. Thank you.
वेरी गुड करते रहो प्रैक्टिस
Okay, sir.
प्रैक्टिस से ही यहाँ तक पहुंचे और आगे प्रैक्टिस से ही आगे जाओगे आप यस कम ऑन अशफाक
सर स्टार्ट से बोलो वापस।
हाँ बोल बोल फटाफट बोल
Hello everyone, my name is Isfaq Khan. I am the student of Ramban English Online Detective Classes. Today's our topic is about trees or forest. Today, now I start my speaking. Trees are very important for our environment. Trees take carbon dioxide and trees give us oxygen. Mm, this is the best way for vegetables and fruits. We can get through it we can get easily fruits and vegetables. Vegetables trees are also give us ayurvedic medicines.
हम्म
Trees are also home of animals. Animals are also live in a forest. Mm, uh, we can get many types of things by forest. Uh, we can mm, we can do many types business through forest,
हम्म
like rubber business, mm, etc. Mm,
हम्म
uh, trees also control air pollution, so we can get fresh air. Mm, without air we can imagine our life.
you
Mm,
can't imagine our life
we can't imagine our life. uh, tree trees make by god. Really god is the best artist. God is very best artist. uh, many people cut tree for his business, but we should not cut tree because through it we get oxygen. I think we should grow trees. And trees are also bring rain. It is very necessary for farming.
हम्म
Mm, then वो then rain, farmer grow his फसलों को क्या बोलते हैं,
क्रॉप्स
his crops for us. So without without forest and trees we can't live. That's it.
ओके वेरी गुड थोड़ा सा ग्रामर ठीक करो और कोशिश करो बस कोई बात नहीं है हो जाएगा
Okay.
प्रैक्टिस से सब चीजें हो जाएंगे रीडिंग रखो लिसनिंग रखो ये सब चीजें आप कंटिन्यूअसली रखोगे तो फिर अपने आप नेचुरली ठीक होने लग जाओगे आप ओके यस कम ऑन सोनम
Sir.
So, hello everyone, I am Sonam Meena. Today I am here to give a speech on importance trees and forest. Forest is very important for us. A forest is a large piece of land covered with trees. It is a home for wildlife. In our country, 23% of the total area is under forest. They supply medicine, herbs. They preserve the wildlife. Forests are the lungs of nature that provide oxygen for us to breathe and maintain healthy ecosystem. Forests provide food and raw material for human beings. Tree is our best friend. With the help of it, we can get many things. Tree is very important in our life. Trees gives us oxygen, which we need to breathe. Without trees, we cannot survive.
बहुत
Trees
बढ़िया.
are trees are as valuable as gold. That's why they are called as green gold.
Very
On
good.
the trees gives us different fruits in different seasons like mango, grapes, apple, papaya, orange, etc. Trees take in carbon dioxide and give out oxygen, thus making the air clean. But some people cut many trees for their benefits, which is wrong. So save tree and save our life. That's it.
बहुत बढ़िया. फ्लो तो बहुत अच्छा आ गया आप सब लोगों का, नो डाउट. बस कोशिश तो अभी करनी है आप लोगों को. यस, कम ऑन विनय मैडम.
Yes, sir. Good evening,
Yes,
everyone. Today, I'm Vinay Solanki. Today, I'm going to tell you importance of forest. Nature is a beautiful creation of God, and a large area covered by different type of trees are called forest. Trees are very essential part of environment, and to the survive we need a one thing, and that is oxygen. And we get oxygen from trees, so we cannot imagine life without forest. Forest forest gives oxygen and take carbon dioxide, and tree and forest are the second source of food. And forest survive forest give shelter many animals and birds. And not only birds and animals, the forest gives shelter many peoples. So many tribes live in a forest, and they fulfill their demands in forest. They have no need to come outside from the forest. Tree are the best friend of human being. In our country, 23% of area is covered with forest. They pure the air and provide food, lots of things like fruit, wood, paper. We get so many things from forest, and so many people earn their livelihood from the forest. They go there and do work there and get their livelihood and
very
earn
good.
money. They provide many people get they're doing okay. Trees hold the roots. Tree hold the roots and prevent the erosion of soil. And tree bring rain, and tree increase the water level, and it keeps environment very cool. And rain is very useful for us, because without rain we cannot get good crop. And we get lots of things, like we get so many medicine from the trees, and we can use everything of tree, like leaf, their stem, their skin, each and everything. Tree are very useful as a gold for a human being, and so it is very important to protect them. And without tree we cannot survive, because greenery increase the age of people, so we
वेरी गुड.
should protect them and grow them more and more. Thank you, sir.
बहुत बढ़िया मैडम, आज तो आपका ऑडियो क्वालिटी भी बहुत अच्छा था.
सर मैंने वो लगा रखा है ना, कैसे लिए मैं बोली थी लगा के, मैंने कहा
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल, आप ऐसे लगा के रखा करो. और
जी
आपका
सर,
फ्लो भी बहुत अच्छा है. आप सुनना जरा अपना, है ना,
जी सर,
मतलब
जी सर।
अच्छा है. आपको भी लग रहा होगा, और आप सुनोगे
हाँ,
तो आपको और रियलाइज होगा कि यस, यू आर इम्प्रूविंग
यस
टू
सर,
मच.
ओके, थैंक यू।
यस मैडम, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड. यस, कम ऑन नाउ. Priya. 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 I think she is not here. So now I am calling Nisha.
Yes, sir. Hello,
Yes, Nisha.
everyone. Hello, everyone. My name is Nisha. I am a student of Raman Online Interactive Classes from VCs. Today, I am going to tell you about the importance of trees and forests. The trees and forests are very important to our life because they give us fruits, and flowers, and they give us oxygen, which
Very
are
good.
which
Shabash.
are need to worth. Without them, we cannot survive. They are
Survive.
as
कोई बात नहीं, बोल बेटा, तू बोल बोल, गलती है वो तो होने दे, हो जाएगी ठीक, बोल
they
तू बेटा.
are as valuable as gold. Life without the tree on earth is impossible. Many needs of humans are fulfilled
हाँ
from the trees.
हाँ, very good, बोल बेटा. हाँ.
If the cutting of trees does not stop, then in the future we may have a very big problem.
Very good, very good. हाँ.
Tree is very necessary for us because they convert carbon dioxide into the oxygen. Many animals uh, many animals get our food by the trees, and they make our house in forest. So I can say that we cannot live without trees on earth. And tree and nowadays trees have became for our life, became God for our life.
Very good.
That's it, sir.
बहुत बढ़िया, शाबाश. निशा,
Thank you, sir.
प्रैक्टिस कंटिन्यू करो अपनी.
Yes, sir.
बहुत और मजा आएगा अभी जब प्रैक्टिस कंटिन्यू करोगे अपनी, है ना?
Yes, sir.
बहुत बढ़िया, शाबाश. Yes, come on, Vansh.
Yes, sir. Hello, friends. My name is Vansh Sharma from B8. Hello, friends. I am telling about importance of trees. Trees, there are many. There are many trees in India, like mango trees, papaya trees, etc. Tree, tree, tree is very trees is very important source of our life
बहुत बढ़िया,
because
बोलता रहे बस, घबराए मत. हाँ.
trees give us many things like oxygen, wood, fruit, vegetables, etc. trees 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 is very trees provide trees give us medicines. Trees we should not cut trees because trees are our life. I think tree no sir trees play a very important role in our life. Many birds animals live on trees.
शाबाश. शाबाश बेटा, बस कोशिश करता रहे बेटा. हाँ.
trees give fruit, oxygen. We live oxygen in India. That's it, sir.
कोई बात नहीं बेटा, कोशिश करता रहे बस तू. यहाँ तक पहुंचा है तो और आगे भी पहुंच जाएगा, और सुनना जरूर अपनी रिकॉर्डिंग को, है ना? Yes. Come on, Anjali.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. Today my topic importance forest and trees. Trees are very important for human life. Trees are our best friend. Trees are our nature. Trees give us fruit, medicine, wood, rubber, gum, etc. Trees provide us shade and protection. Trees keep the
the environment cool.
Hmm.
Tree give us oxygen.
Hmm.
Tree are green gold.
Hmm. Very
Bird,
good. बोल दीजिए बस. हाँ.
birds make their nest and in tree.
शाबाश. बोलती रहे. हाँ.
Trees attract rain clouds. We cannot imagine our life without trees. So we should grow trees. Forest is very important for us. Forest is us palace where many animals live. Forest give us many things like they make our environment beautiful and clean. Many animals need forest to live and survive. We get many natural resource from forest. That's it, sir.
सर आवाज नहीं आ रही आपकी.
एक.
आ रही है सर. अब आ गई.
अब आ गई.
यस सर.
गई बराबर.
यस सर.
Yes, sir.
अब बराबर आवाज आ रही है.
Yes, sir.
यस सर आ रही है. आप सही.
यस कम ऑन पूर्णिमा.
हाँ जी सर.
यस.
एक मिनट.
जल्दी आओ पूर्णिमा.
सर ईयरफोन लगा रही.
जितनी देर में मेरी क्लास का टाइम हो रहा है.
जी जी सर.
हाँ बोलो.
Okay, sir.
हाँ.
Good evening, everyone. Now today I am going to tell you about the importance of forest and trees. Forest provide the house for many living things. Many living beings.
हाँ हाँ कोई बात नहीं बोलो. शाबाश. हाँ.
Thus, it is one of the precious resource which is provided by the nature to human being. The organism that lives in forest are independently to each other. Forest it is on global level mandatory that 33% of area of every country in every state and every city should be covered with forest. In India, 23% of forest area we can found in MP. And greenery area we can found in Kerala. Uh, 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 there we there in all over the world we can found various kind of forest. Some are dry forest, some are green forest, some are rainy forest, some are
वेरी
medicinable
बहुत बढ़िया. हाँ हाँ.
forest, some are poisonating forest. So it's all depend on the climate. Uh, there are a variety of plants that are very valuable, and these all are available in forest. Beside this, we can found various kind of herbs and shrubs in forest. Uh, uh, yeah, forest helps in maintaining the oxygen and temperature level
Very good.
in atmosphere. Plants during photosynthesis release oxygen. Release oxygen and intake consume carbon dioxide, which is
Very.
very valuable for
Hmm.
human being, which gives us life.
बहुत सब लोग सुनो, बहुत अच्छा बोल रही है मैडम. हाँ.
This is the complete phenomena that a human can do.
Hmm.
Also, forests are a hugs reserve of trees and plants.
Hmm.
Uh, so forests, but due to this valuable things which is gives by nature, we could not value them.
Hmm.
Uh, uh, Beside the human being, other creatures values forest more than human,
Hmm.
because he totally depends on forest.
Okay. हाँ.
Due to trees, uh, if we planted trees, uh, uh, सर स्लिप हो रहा है सर.
कोई बात नहीं, बहुत अच्छा बोल रहे हो आप. अब कॉन्फिडेंस लूज मत करो आप अपना. हाँ.
Forests also help in preventing the global warming level of the earth. The increase the increases in the amount of carbon dioxide, which is a greenhouse gases, into the atmosphere. Result is the greenhouse effect on earth.
Hmm.
So if we plant the trees, this increasing level of greenhouse gases,
Hmm.
or this layer, uh, which is very harmful for us, for every living beings. We can decrease the level of, sorry it's okay. सूर्यदेव
कोई
नहीं
बात.
बन पा रहा है सर.
अरे नहीं, बहुत अच्छा बोला मैडम आपने, बहुत अच्छा बोला है आपने. अब
थैंक यू सर.
कोई बात नहीं, लेकिन आपने बहुत अच्छी कोशिश की, आपने बहुत अच्छा बोला है
वो
ना.
सब.
बाकी तो अब अपनी लैंग्वेज तो है नहीं, आप भी जानते हो, तो जितना
जी
कंफर्ट
सर.
हम हिंदी में फील कर सकते हैं वो इंग्लिश में तो कर ही नहीं सकते. पर फिर भी आपके बहुत अच्छा आपने बोला है, नो डाउट.
थैंक यू
ओके.
सर.
ओके. यस, कम ऑन यामिनी.
Hello guys, my name is Yamini. Today's topic is tree and forest. Trees are very important for us. Tree is tree are give we are us oxygen, oxygen, food, vegetables,
योर ऑडियो क्वालिटी इज सो पुअर. मेक इट ओके. आवाज सही नहीं आ रही तुम्हारी. हाँ.
okay, sir. Trees give us oxygen, fruit, vegetables, ma- 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 fruits, wood, etc.
Hmm.
Trees. Indian wash trees like people, neem, tulsi, etc.
Hmm.
So many birds live in trees. So many animals live in forests.
Hmm.
Trees are stop pollution and global warming. Trees are gift of God.
वेरी गुड. कोशिश करो, कोशिश करो.
Is important for us and animals and birds. Trees very very useful and very sad. Trees are good friend for us.
Hmm.
That's it.
बहुत बढ़िया। ये अभी नई स्टूडेंट है हमारी, अभी B9 की स्टूडेंट है। इट हैज बीन ओनली 15 और 20 डेज। तो बहुत अच्छी। बस बात ये है कि आप कोशिश करते रहोगे तो कॉन्फिडेंस आ जाएगा और एजिटेशन निकल जाएगा आपका। शाबाश यामिनी, वेरी गुड। यस, कम ऑन रश्मि। रश्मि इज आल्सो फ्रॉम B9. शी इज आल्सो अ न्यू स्टूडेंट. यस, कम ऑन रश्मि.
Hello everyone, my name is Ashmi Meena. I am talking about trees and forests. Trees are very important of our life. We can not possible life without trees. Trees give many things like wood, fruit, flower, and vegetables, etc. Trees trees food is water and sunlight. Trees are many types. These are many types like mango tree, bottle garden tree, etc. Trees are very necessary. Trees, trees give shade and protection. Trees give shade and protection. Trees help good for us. Trees are best friend for us. Trees grow by. सर मिट्टी को क्या बोलते हैं?
Soil.
Trees grow by soil. Trees help for rain. Forest live. For animals live in forest like lion, tiger, etc. That's it.
बहुत बढ़िया। कोशिश करते रहो, बस कोशिश करने वाले ही जीतते हैं। यस, एक और है हमारे पास में B9 का भावेश। यस भावेश।
Yes sir.
आजा बेटा। हाँ।
Hello everyone. My name is Bhavesh Sharma. I study in Ramban English interactive classes. Today's our topic is forest, trees and forest. Forest is a house of wildlife animals. Wildlife animals live in forest like tiger, leopard, lion, snake, and etc. Some are animals. Some animals are herbivorous, carnivorous, and omnivorous.
अरे वेरी गुड यार, बहुत बढ़िया। अरे शाबाश। हाँ।
Thank you sir.
बोल। हाँ।
Trees are very important trees are very useful to humans. Trees give us oxygen. Trees give us oxygen. Trees give us fruits and vegetables. It present time. It present time. Some people cut trees. We should not cut trees. We should not cut trees. The many types of trees like apple tree, orange tree, banana tree, and strawberry tree, and etc. etc.
हो गया?
नहीं सर, है थोड़ा।
बोल तो तू।
we all grow. I grow tree. I grow every day and every month.
Every day. Okay.
Every day. Thank you.
ओके, बहुत बढ़िया, शाबाश। मजा आ गया। तो कल तेरी टॉफी पक्की बेटा। यस, कोई और थोड़ी रहा है, मैं सेव कर रहा हूँ इसको। यस, रुके जरा 2 मिनट आप लोग। स्टॉप रिकॉर्डिंग कर दो।